What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today, what I'm going to be cleaning are some old school skate highs, some Vans. And I know a lot of you guys out there have some and they probably look just like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at the shoe, and I'm going to go ahead and explain what we're going to do to it. All right, so let's take a look. So here we go. We see the Van. It's in horrible shape. Look at that suede. Tortured. See if this focuses. Let's focus. Not on my face, please. There we go. Let's look at that. Look at that midsole. That midsole is trashed. The back of the shoe, trashed. Go ahead and take a look over here. Yeah. Look at the laces. Oh, this is going to be a fun cleaning. All right, so what we're going to do with the shoe is we're going to start with scrubbing the shoe, getting the shoe as clean as possible, clean as we can get it. We're going to do that with the laces, and we're going to do that with the midsole of the shoe. We're going to try to get this as clean as possible. Now, it's not going to be perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and hit this focus, man. There we go. Hit the bottom, which the bottom of the shoe honestly doesn't look bad for how beat up the shoe really is. But then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some mink oil on this shoe, because I throw that shit on everything. It's like Frank's hot sauce. It just makes the shoe that much better. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of this way, get this back to that nice black, silky, smooth suede that these shoes once were, right? But let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. We're gonna throw on a little music and we're gonna go at it hard, because yeah, they need it. All right, so we got the shoe here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and unlace it, and we're gonna start cleaning the upper of the shoe. All right. I think this is probably one of the worst parts of shoes. If you see in my last video, you know I hate messing with laces. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put a shoe tree into the shoe. All right, so let's get some of this dust knocked off the shoe. Let's start the cleaning. So now that we got the upper done, let's go ahead and hit up this midsole. All right, now that we've got the midsole as clean as we're gonna get it right now, let's go ahead and get these laces, because as you can see, they're pretty trash. Now, they do look like they've been bled on, kind of have like a little blue hue to them. I'm not 100% sure if that's gonna come out all the way, but we're gonna go ahead and do our best on it. They still have a little blue hue to them, but let's go ahead and just get them rinsed off and dried up. All right, now that we got the shoe clean, it's dry, what we're gonna do is go ahead and spray a little bit of mink oil. And the reason why I wanna do that is because if we see here, the suede is dry, ashy, dry, just not looking that good. My camera's having a little trouble focusing, but we see what we got going on here. So we got the shoe back. It's nice and clean, it's dry, but as we can see, the suede is a little faded, it's kind of rough. The midsole is pretty decent, but we see all this fading here in the suede. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and brush out this suede, kind of get it back nice and soft, and then we're gonna hit it with some mink oil. So let's go ahead and jump into that real quick here. All right, so now that we've got the suede brushed out, didn't take too long. The suede is still pretty rough. I can probably hit it with the brush a little more, but it's starting to come back to life a little better. So let's go ahead and hit this with the mink oil, rub it in. We're gonna let the shoe dry for a couple minutes. That way we can go ahead and get this laced up. All right, so we got the mink oil applied to the shoe. We're just gonna go ahead and let it dry for a few minutes here, and we'll be right back to go ahead and get these laced up, and we'll see what the shoe looks like. Now the shoe is completely dry after we went ahead and sprayed the mink oil. So let's go ahead and get it laced up and take a look at the shoe. All right, so the shoe is completely laced up. Now let's take a look. See how the suede got that nice deep color back to it. And there you go. That's how you get some old school Van skate highs that look trash looking fairly decent again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. That way the algorithm pushes my video out to more people. All right, man. Peace.